Okay, this is a 2014 Kia Rondo. I'm going to change the PCV valve on it because I've got a high oil consumption, a liter per 1,000 kilometers. So changing a PCV valve hopefully should fix that problem or help alleviate that problem and less of a problem of that. So we're going to change the PCV valve on a Kia Rondo 2014. It's a 2 liter GDI engine, and also I think the 2014 to 2018 Soul has the same engine. The Kia Rondo, I think this 2.2 liter engine was produced from 2014 to 2017, 2018 area. So as long as it's a 2 liter GDI engine, this is where the PCV valve is. So first off, you're going to pull the plastic cover off. Just yank it and it should come off. Like that. Put it aside. And this is where the valve lives. Right here, the PCV valve. This here is where the PCV valve lives. Just got to undo this clamp and this hose and use a 13/16 socket. 13/16 socket, deep socket because it has to fit in there. And to remove it, I'm going to use a Beck & Arney that I purchased on Amazon, and there's the part number. Okay, just pinch it with pliers, the hose, the clamp on the hose clamp. Pull it off. Okay, grab your 13/16 deep socket. Turn it counterclockwise, and off she comes. It's not very tight. It's got an O-ring to seal. See, there's the O-ring to seal. I'll let you Google your what a PCV valve does. You could Google that if you want. There's the new one, and there's the old one. Perfect match. And this is oh, if it's bad, it should, a bad one won't slide very well. And you could shake it. Listen. It doesn't slide very well. When you try a new one, wow, it is slick inside that valve. And it clunks really loud and easy. Here's the old one. And when you shake a new one, you can really tell the difference. I mean, a new one's only like 12 bucks. You can clean an old one, but for 12 bucks, might as well just put a new one in. So there you go. We'll put the new one in. Screw it in. Clockwise to tighten. You don't need to be too tight. Just snug. Put the hose back, clamp it, and there she's done. So hopefully this fixes my oil consumption problem. I'll monitor it and let you know in the future. Thanks for watching.